Some people have asked me, can you use evaporated milk to make latte? So you might ask, why would you ever want to use evaporated milk for your latte? Well, if you're not using espresso, say you're using mocha pot and you don't have access to fresh milk, suddenly all you have left is evaporated milk. Can you make a good latte with it? And how does it taste like? There are many brands of evaporated milk. So there's Carnation, this one is from the UK actually, and this is F&N from Malaysia, and this is the Carnation in this kind of packaging from the Philippines. So what I'm going to make today is I'm actually going to use the one which is F&N. So let's find out how it looks like on my latte. So I'm going to first pull my espresso shot. I'm just going to make 1 shot of espresso, so a small cup of latte. And now I'm going to steam my evaporated milk. I must say it steams rather well, just like your regular fresh milk. And make sure it is very cold. Now, 1 can of evaporated milk can only make 2 cups of latte. Okay, so I now have my coffee here. This is my steamed evaporated milk. I'm going to pour it into my cup here. And it also gives you a really silky smooth finish on your coffee, and I think that it is perfectly fine. Wow, that is like having a really rich milk. It's almost like a whipped cream, because evaporated milk is really concentrated milk. It is milk with the water taken out of it, so it's really concentrated and it tastes so rich. Well, I would say if you are looking for something to replace your fresh milk, and if fresh milk is too expensive, then you can also use evaporated milk, as you have seen in this video clip. So that's all I have for today. If you have any questions or you would like me to cover anything in my future video tutorials, do let me know, comment below. I wish you all a pleasant day and thank you for watching. Ciao for now.